What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we are going to build a pie chart using HTML Bootstrap and Chart.js. We will go step by step starting from a blank file, setting up the structure, adding a chart and finally making it look clean and interactive. By the end of this video you will know how to create your own pie chart and customize them with your own data. First, let's create a new HTML file. I will start with the standard HTML boilerplate and the head section. Inside the head, I am adding a title for the page and linking Bootstrap CSS. This gives us access to ready-made style and layout components, which keep the design responsive and professional without much efforts. Inside the head tag, I am also adding a small style block. This isn't required, but it makes the page look cleaner. Now let's set up the body. I will create a container with a bootstrap card. This card will hold our chart, a short description, and later a small download button. Inside the card, I will add a heading, a short description, and most importantly, a canvas element. The canvas is just a blank space where chart.js will actually draw our pie chart. Right now, it won't show anything until we connect the JavaScript. Alright, let's add a nice finishing touch. I will include a small button in the card footer that says download PNG. With just a few lines of JavaScript, we can let the user to export the chart as an image. This is useful if you need to quickly drop the chart into a report or presentation. Okay, now we need chart.js itself. The easiest way is to include it from a CDN, which is basically a free online source. I will paste a tag with CDN link. With just that one line, we got a full chart.js library ready to use. Now let's write the JavaScript that power our chart. First I will grab the canvas by its ID and store it in a variable called CTX. Next I will define some example data. Let's imagine we are showing sales distribution across different channels: online, retail, direct and wholesale. Now we need to connect the label with the numbers. We create a dataset object that has our value and also some color for each slice. Chart.js will automatically calculate the size of each slice based on the number we provide. The color I am adding here use a little transparency so they look modern and vibrant. After that, we configure the chart. The most important property is the type, which we will set to pie. Then we add options for things like the legend and the tooltips. In this example, I will place the legend at the bottom and I will also customize the tooltip so when we hover over a slice, it shows not just the raw value but also the percentage of the total. Alright, now comes the fun part. We create a new chart by passing in our context and the configuration. As soon as we save and refresh, the pie chart will appear inside the canvas. Chart.js take care of drawing the slice, the legend and even make it responsive, so it scales nicely on different screen sizes. And finally we create a code for our download button, and that's it. We have just built a fully functional pie chart using HTML, Bootstrap and Chart.js. We started from scratch, added Bootstrap for layout, create a canvas and use Chart.js to handle all the charts drawing. From here you can customize the label number and color to match your own data. You can even explore other charts type like donut, bar or line chart. For more ideas and options, definitely check out the official documentation at chartjs.org. Thanks for following along. If you find this useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends or teammates, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Your support really motivates me to create more content like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.